Hi, this is Tom with BV Security. Today I want to continue talking about our newest camera, IPDF 3062 Color. It is our full 180-degree view camera with color 24/7 and active deterrence. Now the active deterrence feature is really cool. It allows the camera to play a pre-recorded message that can play whenever someone shows up on your property. The camera has several already recorded messages built in, but I'm going to show you today how to record a custom message, and we'll get that set up. All right, so we showed you last time how to set up the advanced detection systems in our new 6-megapixel panoramic camera. Today I'm going to show you a way to customize that just a little bit more. So as always, I'm going to start by opening up my IP portal tool. This is a free software that scans the network, finds any of our IP cameras, and allows you to make changes to the addresses, the ports, everything like that. I have this camera open already, so let's just go ahead and get to that. Here we are in our live view. Now to set this up, first thing I'm going to do is going to go to configuration up here at the top of the page. That'll load us up into our system settings. What I'm looking for is event. This is where we set up our alarms. So let's go ahead and click that one. And we've got all of our alarms here. For this setup, what I want to do is I want to come over to audible alarm output right here. Click that. Now on this camera, we do have an audible alarm that can be played at any schedule that we want. And we have a lot of different options to choose from here. Everything from warning restricted area, danger, keep away, just a regular old siren, even just a welcome notice if that's something you'd like. But let's say that none of those fit your needs. So what do we do? Well, we're going to come up here to sound type, and instead of warning, we're going to change that to custom audio. Click that. Once we click that, we'll get a new option that pops up here, custom audio. And we can choose from sounds that we have on file. Go ahead and click add. And now this will let me search the computer for any audio files that I already have. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Now, it's important to know that the file does need to be a WAV file, and it does need to be smaller than 512. But as long as we have those, we can load in any sound file we'd like. Let's go ahead and call this Get Out. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now you'll see that Get Out becomes an option here. Click that. I've got my volume. I've got my settings. Come down here, click Save. Save succeeded. And let's see if we can give it a test.
Hey you, get out of here.
All right, there you have it. That's how you can customize the audible alarm output in our new 6-megapixel panoramic IP camera. All right, there you have it. Again, this has been Tom with BV Security, showing you the coolest features on our new camera, IPDF 3062 Color. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.